Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth thicker. We will explore several effective techniques to achieve your desired consistency. First, we'll look at reducing the broth, a natural way to intensify flavor and body. Then, we'll cover using a simple starch slurry for quick thickening. We'll also discuss creating a classic roux, and finally, incorporating pureed vegetables for added richness and nutrition. To naturally thicken broth, simply simmer it uncovered over medium heat. This allows water to evaporate, concentrating the flavors and body. For a quicker method, create a starch slurry. Combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of cold water per cup of liquid you wish to thicken. Whisk this mixture into your simmering broth and cook for about 1 minute until it reaches your desired consistency. A classic roux offers a rich, smooth texture. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter or oil, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour. Cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until it's a light golden color. Gradually whisk in hot broth, 1 cup at a time, to avoid lumps. Alternatively, pureeing cooked vegetables such as potatoes, squash, or carrots directly into your broth adds natural thickness and a boost of flavor and nutrients. When thickening, always remember to taste and adjust your seasoning afterward, as concentration can intensify flavors. It's best to start with a small amount of thickener and add more gradually, as over-thickening is harder to correct. For gluten-free alternatives, cornstarch or arrowroot powder work wonderfully. Also, consider adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin for a luxurious, mouth-coating texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.